Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be trying out dip powders for the first time ever. I'm kind of late to the party with dip powders and gels because I've always been a little scared to maybe ruin my nails. But I know it's all about proper removal and care, so as long as I do that, I'll be just fine. This video is in partnership with Ava Nails, so I'll be using their dip powder kit, which includes everything I need. It has base coat, activator, top coat, a fluffy brush, a dip case, soak off clips, and 5 different dip powder shades that I picked out myself. I'm just going to follow the instructions included and prep my nails first by filing them and cleansing them with polish remover. Then I'll be applying the base to my nail and then dip it into Morning Dreams immediately after. I let it sit there for a second, then remove and brush off the excess about 30 seconds later. I'll be repeating these steps one more time to get the color more opaque. Something that I've learned is that you want to dip it at about a 45-degree angle for the best results. So not upside down and not totally straight down. Also, in case you want to grab this kit, check out the link below. You can use my code HANNAH20 for 20% off your entire order. Now I'm going to create a glittery accent nail using Daydreaming and the same steps as before. I notice how fast and strong these dry, so I can definitely see them lasting up to 3 weeks. You can also touch them up when you need to, so I find that really convenient. To be honest, I'm having a lot of fun doing this. I mean, this is literally my first time trying it out, so I'm really enjoying it, and I think these would be perfect for people that maybe have a hard time polishing, or when you polish, it's messy and it's not really accurate because you just have to apply the base and then the powder just kind of attaches to your nail and that's it. So now that my accent nail is done, I'm going to apply the activator over the entire nail and let dry. Next, I'm going to file the surface until it's smooth to prep it for the last step. You can use a stronger file first and then buff it out after, but since I misplaced my buffer, I'm going to just make it work with my glass file. Now that all my nails are smooth, I'll be applying 2 coats of the top coat for that glossy finish. I'm going to wait 30 seconds between each layer. And that's it for my first dip powder manicure. It was super easy to do and super fun, as I said before. In case you're wondering how to remove it, that's really easy as well. First, file off the top seal layer, then get an acetone soaked cotton ball and place it onto your nail. Then use the soak off clips to hold it in place. I let it set for about 10 to 15 minutes, then remove the clips. A lot of the powder was loose, so I could just rub it off without any issues. Oh, and don't forget to hydrate with some cuticle oil since your nails will be pretty dry after soaking. Alright, that does it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed tagging along on my first dip powder manicure adventure. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!